Hello people, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to the second video of the Arduino Basic series, where we will learn about the blinking of an LED light using Arduino. And here we will also learn about how to control the speed of the blinking of the LED. So let's get started. So let's begin with the code. Open the Arduino IDE and write the program. Hashtag define LED13. This line indicates that the LED is connected to pin number 13 of the Arduino. Now comes the void setup part. This is the part of the code where you have to set the defined pin, either it is working as input or output. So in this example of the LED blinking circuit, the LED is actually working as an output device. So we will write it as output, as pin mode LED output. Next comes the void loop section. This is the part of the code which will make the program run again and again. So let's write the code. Digital write. This defines the digital pin of the Arduino board, and the line digital write LED high is defining that the pin to turn the LED on, and then it comes the delay 1000. This line defines to stay the program in hold for a certain period of time, that is 1000 milliseconds. And next comes the digital write LED low. This line tells to turn off the LED light. Then again it comes the delay 1000. So the code is completed and you are ready to go. Be sure every time that you have selected the right board and also the right port. So now it's time for the compiling. So the compilation has been done and now we will upload the code. So the code is uploading now, and yes, it has uploaded to the board. So the coding part ends and now it's time to check either it is working or not. So in the code we have defined LED to pin number 13. So we will connect the LED to pin number 13. As we know, for LED, the longest leg is the anode and the shortest leg is the cathode. So we have to connect anode to the pin number 13 and cathode to the ground. So as you see, it's working fine. So By changing the delay in the code, you can change the blinking speed of the LED like this. Suppose you have set the delay for delay 2000. Then again upload it and you will see the change like this. So here you can see that the delay has been worked and it's working really very good. And so by this way you can change the delay by your own. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned about the blinking of the LED using Arduino. Thanks for watching.